So here's how to make a simple tassel. I'm going to use this gold metallic string and this, I believe it's 3mm macrame cording. And all you do is you're going to cut your strands at about 10 inches long. And then you put them all together. You can make it as thick as you like. And I'm going to take about a 10-inch piece of gold cord. I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to put a knot in it. And I'm going to put these strands through about 3 times so that the knot is a good size, secure. Cut it at about 1/2 inch from the knot. And I'm going to loop my pieces through this knot, just like you're going to put your, ponytail through your hair. I'll fold them in half and hide that knot underneath here. Underneath all your strands. Okay. And then I'm going to take another piece of gold cord, about, let's say 20 inches long. And then you want to make a loop because you want this piece here to stick out. And then holding it, you're just going to start folding it, wrapping it around the top. And make sure that all these are pretty even up here at the top, the cording. And so you'll just start wrapping it around that loop. You want to wrap them as tight as you can. When you think you've had enough, where it looks nice, I'd say probably wrap it about 10 times, 8 to 10 times. And you're going to take the end of that cord and you're going to loop it through this little loop here that you made, like this. And then you're going to pull this one and you're going to pull it in here really tight. Pull them together. And that's going to secure it underneath here. Then you just cut this top and the bottom cord. And that gives you your hanger. And then your tassel is secure. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your cords evenly at the bottom. Make it as long or as short as you like. Okay? And then you're going to go through each strand and you're just going to start unwinding it. Like I just turn it opposite as to the way it's winded and then just start pulling out the strands. And just pull them apart. And there you have your tassel. If you want it finer than this, you can take a comb and just comb right through it. at this point will make it a lot finer. And then if it's a little uneven, you can go back and even it out a little bit. And you can use your tassel on anything, any craft, or you can hang it on your Christmas tree as an ornament. Okay, so now I'm going to make another tassel out of this pink satin cording. And I'm doing the same thing as I did with the other one, cutting in about 8 to 10 inches long. And then you want to make them as even as possible, bringing them together. But the thing that I'm doing different is I made my loop a lot longer because we're going to add some beads to this loop. So you're going to do the same thing and place it evenly in the middle of your strands, and then cover that knot with your strands, just like so. I'm going to hold on to that while I cut another piece of gold cording, again at about 20 inches long. And then you're going to take that cording and loop it just make sure it's even again. And by using the satin cording, it's a little bit more slippery. Okay, so you're going to make your loop, place it in there, and put your thumb over that loop to hold it. You want to hold that loop with your thumb. Okay, and then you'll start wrapping your gold cord around it. You just want to make it even. Okay, and once you've wrapped it about 8 to 10 times, you'll take the end of your cord here and put it through that loop that was under your thumb. Okay, and then you're going to hold that and pull this top thread, and then pull it through here and tighten it. And then you can just cut off your excess. Okay. Now with the satin cording, it doesn't unravel like the cotton cording, so I'm just going to leave it like it is, except just to even it out a little bit. Okay, and now we'll add some beads to it. I'm going to add these white ones. Just loop it through. I'm going to put like 4 of them. Okay, and once you have your beads on, you'll just go up here and tie another knot. And you want to get that knot as close to that top bead as you can. Okay, and then you can go in and put a bow at the top if you like. You see, I'm going to put a piece of burgundy. And in order to tie my bow, I'm going to turn my ornament upside down. I know it sounds kind of strange, but whenever I tie my bows, for some reason they always look like they're upside down if I'm tying it right side up. So I turn it so that once it's tied, it'll look right side up. And you can go back and adjust the size of the loops, and which I will do. It's a little bit too large. Okay, and then you can cut them however long you want them. And there you have a beaded tassel. Another alternative that I've made is this one with jute cord. So you can make it with any of the types of cording that you like. You can even make them with like the DMC threads. Those make really pretty ones as well. And I've made this one with a bell on it. Now I put my bow down at the bottom of the bell, but you can put it at the top if you like, if you prefer. And my loop here, I made it a little bit small, but you can put a hook through that loop in order to hang it on your tree if you need to. And here's my regular tassel. Okay, so I'm going to hang these up so I can show you what it looks like on the Christmas tree. Okay, so here they are on my tree. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions about anything. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.